In an exciting development for the RV community, the new Iveco-based Deddle RV has hit the market, promising to be a game-changer for families and groups seeking adventure on the open road. This innovative mobile home is designed to comfortably accommodate up to 6 people, offering a perfect blend of functionality, comfort, and modern amenities. The Deddle RV is built on the robust and reliable Iveco chassis, known for its durability and performance. The exterior design reflects a balance of aesthetics and practicality, featuring a sleek, aerodynamic profile that not only looks appealing but also enhances fuel efficiency. The vehicle structure is fortified to withstand various terrains, making it an ideal choice for both urban environments and off-road adventures. Stepping inside the Deddle RV, one is immediately struck by the spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. The layout maximizes the available space, ensuring that every inch serves a purpose. The RV includes a fully equipped kitchen, complete with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and ample storage cabinets. This allows travelers to prepare meals just as they would at home, adding to the convenience of long trips. The living area is designed for relaxation and socialization, featuring comfortable seating and a dining table. Large windows surround the space, flooding the interior with natural light and providing stunning views of the surroundings. At night, these windows can be covered with blinds for privacy and insulation. The Deddle RV offers multiple sleeping arrangements to accommodate 6 people comfortably. It includes a master bedroom with a double bed, bunk beds for children or guests, and a convertible sofa bed in the living area. Each sleeping space is designed to provide maximum comfort, ensuring a good night's sleep after a day of travel and exploration. One of the standout features of the Deddle RV is its comprehensive bathroom facilities. It includes a full bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink, offering the same level of convenience as a home bathroom. The design prioritizes space efficiency and hygiene, with easy-to-clean surfaces and ample storage for toiletries. To cater to the needs of modern travelers, the Deddle RV is equipped with a range of advanced amenities. It includes a state-of-the-art entertainment system with a flat-screen TV and surround sound, perfect for movie nights or catching up on the news. The RV also boasts a climate control system to maintain a comfortable temperature in any weather conditions. Storage is a crucial aspect of any RV, and the Deddle does not disappoint. It features numerous storage compartments both inside and outside the vehicle, allowing travelers to bring along all the essentials and more. Additionally, the RV includes utility features such as solar panels for sustainable energy, a freshwater tank, and a wastewater system, making it suitable for extended trips in remote areas. The Iveco-based Deddle RV is a remarkable addition to the world of recreational vehicles, offering a perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and durability. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a road trip with friends, or a solo adventure, this 6-person mobile home provides everything you need to travel in style and comfort. With its modern amenities, robust design, and thoughtful layout, the Deddle RV is set to become a favorite among RV enthusiasts and adventurers alike.